Hey there, Luis Sanchez with Salt for Thought, trying something new, fun little project. I want to bring some great content your way on some of the things that I love about living here on the coast. Number one is seafood. Number two is catching food, spending good time with family and friends. So this is going to be our very first catch and cook. And so as a family, we decided, and it's going to be my wife Zoe who's doing up the cooking. So we're going to make a shrimp dish. Zoe's going to cook up a cilantro lime shrimp with cilantro lime rice. I know, very redundant, repetitive, but our family loves cilantro and lime put together. I'm going to throw the net out several times to see if we can catch enough for dinner tonight, and let's see how it goes. Tell not a lot of success in catching shrimp, but that doesn't mean we can't do some cooking. So we're going to go buy our shrimp, Jane's Hill Head. See you there. I'm thinking, show me 2 pounds. I might get, we're cooking, so we're making some dinner tonight. Yeah.
You know, weigh it on that side.
Go ahead. Put some in there. How much is that, 2 pounds?
Yeah.
Third pound. Let's go, baby. Come on. Thank you. Take it. Come on. Let's go, boo boo. Walk. Walk with the shrimp. Go. Walk with the shrimp, baby. Go. Go, ahead, baby. Go. You say cute shoes, baby. Come on, lovey.
Cilantro lime shrimp with a cilantro lime rice. It's kind of repetitive, but it's really, really delicious. And I have my helpers right here. Oh, and we're also gonna make bacon Brussels sprouts, bacon and balsamic vinaigrette with balsamic vinaigrette.
Clean the food.
Oh yeah, it's really important. We have
You need to clean the food.
You seal that in there? Yeah. So we're gonna clean the food. So right here, we're almost done with our shrimp. Peeling our shrimp. Alright, so now we're gonna season our shrimp. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of salt, half of teaspoon of cumin, next we're gonna do an 8. So we're gonna do 2/8 of cayenne pepper. Same amount of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon paprika. So I made my rice in the Instant Pot. I love the Instant Pot. It takes 3 minutes literally. So I just cook it in there, and then now we're just gonna fluff it with a fork. drop a bunch of cilantro and then just squeeze 1 lemon. So now we're gonna be prepping our Brussels sprouts with bacon and honey. So what you're gonna do is you get your Brussels sprouts, you cut it and then you cut it in half. And that's all you gotta do. And right here I already put some salt and some minced garlic. If you can see it down there, it's minced garlic. Now we're gonna cut our bacon. Now we're gonna be putting some butter on the. You saw that?
Not the floor, the pan. Put it in the pan, not the floor.
On the pan, and we're just gonna let that melt.
Who's this guy in the shot? Who's this guy? He's in the shot. That guy right there. Please subscribe. We got some friends over.
So we're just gonna saute the shrimp with the butter. We're just gonna let it there, do its thing. We let it cook for a little bit. I'm gonna turn the heat down. I pause the cilantro and then some lemon.
Lime.
Lime. I get confused with those two. And then after that, I'm gonna put a little bit of heavyweight cooking thing.
Cook it up. What kind of sauce you got there, baby?
So it is a balsamic balsamic production.
Yeah? What you got?
So you just put balsamic vinegar with honey and let it reduce.
That's it?